Awesome second graders! Welcome to your new course called Step Up to the Third Grade. To get into your course, you're going to enter the website blackboard.leeschools.net into your browser bar. It should bring you to a screen that looks like the one you see here. For your username, you're going to enter the same username that you do for Google. It will be your first initial, last initial, and a series of 5 numbers. You do not need to put @students.leeschools.net, just the number and initials like you see here. The password is exactly the same. Your first and last initials and the 5 numbers included in your username. Once you've typed that in, click Login. You will open to a screen like this one. If you look over on the right-hand side, you will see a title that says Step Up to Third Grade. If you click there, it will take you into your new class. Within that class, you're going to have 3 different subject areas: literacy, composition, and math. The page that you see here is your home page, and you can always get back to this home page by clicking on the house right next to Step Up to Third Grade. Let's take a look at the first subject area, literacy. As you can see, so far you have one project. That project is called Turtle in Paradise. If you click on that title, it will open up to a series of lessons. Right now, you will see 6 lessons, but these lessons will grow over the next couple of weeks until we finish the project Turtle in Paradise. Complete these lessons in order, starting with Lesson 1. You click on Lesson 1, you will see a page in front of you that says Day at a Glance, Description. It explains what you will be doing in this particular lesson. You will need to navigate to the next page of this lesson by clicking the arrow to the top right to go to page 2, then to page 3, and on to page 4. Be sure to read those pages carefully, because sometimes there are links embedded that will take you to activities that you need to do outside of Blackboard, such as this one. You would click to launch and it would take you to Quizlet so that you may practice the vocabulary found in the story Turtle in Paradise. Once you have finished Lesson 1 for Turtle in Paradise, go back to your home page by clicking on the house, and it will bring you to the same area where you can get into your subjects again. Let's take a look at composition. It's going to have a similar yet slightly different setup than literacy. As you can see, you have one project, and it's called Animal Traits Writing to Text. If you click on that, you're going to see a Lesson 1, a Lesson 2, a Lesson 3, and you will begin to see other lessons built in here as well. On these lessons, you have a brief description of what it is all about, and you will click on Lesson 1 to open it up. Here it tells you lesson instructions. In this lesson, you will learn how to answer a question about a text by finding important facts inside the text. Read the text, download the guided notes, and complete while watching the video. Then submit your guided notes as your checkpoint. Each of these pictures represents a link. Be sure to click on each of these links throughout the lesson to access the text that you need to read, the notes that you need to take, and the video that you should watch for this lesson. Do you know how to get back to the content area so that you can go into your next subject area? That's right. Click on the home icon and it will take you right back to your content page. Here you can now access your math course. Click on Math. Getting ready for 3rd grade. That's your first project for math. If you open it, you will see 3 lessons so far. This will begin to grow just like the others as I add additional content. Click on Lesson 1. As you can see, this setup is slightly different where you can see everything at one time. That's because in this section, your learning guide is really going to have to help you navigate through the math. You'll need to download and print these pages for the next 20 lessons. You'll only have to do this once in Lesson 1, and then you should put these in a folder and you'll have them for the next 20 lessons of math. Once you've completed the lesson, if you click over and go to page 2, it will take you to the checkpoint. It's a math journal question, so you're going to type your answer here. Here's the question. Use the addition table to list some addition facts that have a sum of 15. Describe a pattern that you see in these facts. You're going to click on Write Submission, type it into the box, and then click Submit. Don't forget, when you're ready to go back and take a look at your classes, you can click on the Home icon, and it takes you right back to the content page. If you have any questions on how to navigate through Blackboard, you may give me, Mrs. Downey, a call at 239-822-0318, or feel free to also contact Mrs. Gatewood. We would both enjoy helping you to become successful with the Step Up to 3rd Grade course. Good luck, and I'm excited to see lots of great activities and projects come from each of you.